Kwabena for Think Healthy, Live Healthy. And today I'm going to make some fried rice with chicken, and I'm going to make with noodles as well. Not together, separate. Also, once with fried rice, once with noodles. I'm going to prepare the chicken once, and then I'm going to mix and show you how you can make two different dishes. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, click on the like button. So first of all, I'm going to marinate the chicken, and I'm going to show you what ingredients I'm going to use for that. So now we're going to marinate with pepper, with ginger powder, garlic powder, a bit of chili powder, turmeric, and basil, a bit of herb, and half of tablespoon oil in it, and mix it. So, and now we're gonna cover this and keep it for half an hour. So here we have the ingredients. I'm going to use some onions. I chopped some garlic, fresh tomatoes, fresh chillies. I mean, this is optional. If you don't want, don't go for it. Or some olives, dark and green olives, and some green leaves we're gonna add later on. So the chicken looks quite nice, and we're gonna cook this now. So first of all, we're gonna put some oil in it. So literally like 2 spoons. I really don't want to use so much oil. So that looks quite nice. So what we're gonna do now here, we'll put the garlic, and let this fry with garlic. A little bit of chillies. I mean, this is optional. Do it as much you want. And we'll add a little bit of onions, because I like to add also some fresh onions later on, so I won't put all of the onions in that right now. And let this cook. I mean, this won't take really long since the chicken is already fried. And we will add now some olives. I want to put all the olives because we're gonna make for rice and for noodles. Basically, this is now ready. So the first one we'll do it with some now I'm going to fry an egg in that. So now we'll make space in between to break an egg in it. Good. And I also prepared the noodles. I took whole grain noodles which I already boiled. So now it's good. So what we're gonna do here? Break this egg. So mix it, and now we put some noodles in that. I did not use any oil for noodles. It is whole meal grain noodles or penne. So we're gonna add some red color tomatoes. And we add some raw onions, as I already mentioned. I like to add some raw onions into that. And now some little bit of green color we need. So now what we're gonna do, put the rest, because we want to make the same thing with rice as well. So first of all, I would say we'll use another egg before we mix the rest. So also prepared rice. I boiled the rice with cloves and with pepper. I add a little bit of salt. What we're gonna do is here's some of the green coriander, and this is ready now, ready to eat. as you can see, it is all ready now. It really didn't take so much time. See, this is the noodles. Tastes really good. I've made so much food, noodles and rice with chicken, and I have here containers. I store them so I can eat this food 3 to 4 days long. So with noodles or with rice, and the thing is, I'm saving money and having healthy food. Think about that. It's just homemade. All ingredients are known to me, and I prepared mine myself. So bear in mind, there is no artificial ingredients added, no sweetener. It's just natural and healthy ingredients being added, and you exactly know what. And I exactly know what I added into this food. So think about that. How many days I can eat that? And think like that. Save your money. Save your money and see how good it is to have homemade food. Homemade food is the best. I'm saying, please bear in mind, it really did not take so much time, and I have so much food for next 3 to 4 days. Think about that. So please subscribe my channel and click on the like button if you like this video, and I'll come up with more videos, and I see you soon. Stay safe.